Okay, now let's talk about the phrasal verbs. So you remember the last set for the verb phrase is PV, phrasal verb, and then NP to the second power, and then the prepositional phrase. Now let's extend the phrasal verbs. With the phrasal verbs, we have the verb and the particle. What are examples of phrasal verbs? We have live out, take up, pass out, bring back, and so on. Ma'am, why do we have this? We look at this. Ayan. We have this kind of sign to say that a particle, the PRT, is not necessarily need to be in close proximity with the verb or maybe contiguous. Hindi siya kailangan na ganun. Halimbawa, you turn off the lights. The lights. Pwede ko din sabihin na you turn the lights off. So, ayun yung ibig sabihin ng ganong sign na hindi dapat sila, hindi naman necessary na lagi silang magkatabi na ganyan. So, with this one, let's have the S and then the subject, then NP, pronoun she, then the predicate, okay, then we have the auxiliary, then after the auxiliary, here it's about the phrasal verb, so somehow we can see the tense. May nakita na yung tense, right? Ayan, so it's tense, and then past. Okay, so right after that, we have the VP. This is where we're going to put the PV, or the phrasal verbs. So with the PV, there is the verb and the PRT. The verb here is pull, and then the PRT is the word off, pull off. Okay, so again, base form lang. Then let's have just the NP, yan, dito tayo. Then that, or then the noun, and then prank. Okay, simple as that. So here, I just wanted to highlight this part. That's how we're going to do, that's what we're going to do when we encounter phrasal verbs. Okay? Let's have again another example of the phrasal verbs like this. So we have the subject again, predicate, then we have the NP, noun, and then Taylor. Now this time, the auxiliary, it's in tense, past tense particularly. Okay, auxiliary, then we have here the VP. Then with the VP, we have the phrasal verb. And with the phrasal verb, we all know that we already have the verb. The verb here is the word shake. Then, for the particle, off siya dapat, pero mamaya pa siya. Okay, mamaya pa natin isipan kung saan ang off. Saan? So, question mark mo na yan. Now, let's proceed. Taylor, shake, the hate comments. So, hate comments, dito tayo papasok. Other the PV, nalala nyo, we can have the NP. So, NP here. Then, with the NP, that, art, the, okay. Then, we also have the AP, adjective, hate. Then, we have the comments, right? That are then noun, comment. Then let's add another one, PL, because it's plural. Now, how about the word off? So, dapat mapanindigan na natin na sa dulo siya. So, what are we just going to do here? I-move lang natin siya. Okay. Medyo padadaanin natin. Actually, hindi ko maganda yung arrow ko dito. So, hindi ko alam kung natuwa kayo dito sa gagawin ko, pero this is what will happen. So, Taylor, shake the hate, comment, dapat nandito yung off, right? Natin lalagay. So, then mapupunta sa particle, gawa lang kayo ng line. Huwag na lang tatamaan masyado yung mga mahahalaga. Sorry na. Ayan. Ayan. So, ayan. Padaan lang natin. And, yan. Ayan. Para lang, nababasa na siya. Okay. So, dyan. Ayan po. Pwede namang another option, medyo baba ako. Okay, para okay siya. Alright? So, that is for the phrasal verbs.